hottest new game in America.
Hey, what am I sitting on?
Love when they sing that. Me too, because that means it's time to play. Hey, what am I sitting on? And today's special sitter is going to be Spencer!
Okay, I just want everybody to know that my butt and I have been doing some serious training, and we are extremely psyched to play.
Good. Ready? Blindfold. Blindfold. Saw that? Okay. Can you see anything?
Yes, the inside of my blindfold. You guys laughing?
No. Okay, let's head on over to the Chair of Wonder. Okay, now, before Spencer sits, we're going to show you, the people at home, the special item that Spencer is going to sit on. The secret item is a meatloaf. Okay, Spencer, have a seat.
Okay.
There you go.
Right,
Straight back.
Stay right on it.
That's it. Right there. Right there.
Curious. It's not very comfortable, though it is warm.
All right, you have 20 seconds to figure out what you're sitting on. Go.
Okay. Is it a dog? A wet dog? Could it be a raccoon? A wet raccoon?
4 seconds.
Come on!
Unfortunately, the game had to be stopped because Spencer got a severe cramp in his butt. The pain was intense, so he had to lie down till the cramp went away. Spencer never did guess what he was sitting on.
Did you?
You all right?
No, it hurts.